Alright, check. Today in Donna, teach you how to do the washing machine. This is a patented beef stinker strategy for Vertigo.
Where do you want to go, you Lord and Savior?
First, we fake an A-ramp push.
We're gonna fake A.
Next, make as much noise as possible.
Alright, listen, boys. We're gonna make as much noise over here as possible. Watch
Shut
this
the
shit.
fuck
right
up,
here.
kid.
Big, heavy motherfucking great. Or, yeah, alright. The whole team going through, and we sneak to B.
Finally, sneak back to B to stank their beef. Watch as these stupid shitlings get. They shit mollywope from Timbuktu. Notice how all of these fucking dorks are sitting at A waiting for us. Thanks, teammate, for the smoke. Planted. Alright, viewers, prepare yourselves.
That's the fucking washing machine, baby.
You're about to witness ultimate beef stankage. Donna trample a small Italian boy named Giacomo Fuckman, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do the washing machine. Remember to like and follow.